Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to answer this higher tier question. This is quite common in the higher math paper. So this is about a circle that has a center at this point. The point A lies on the circumference of the circle. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle at A. So it's a good idea to always sketch what is given, like it's given that the center is at 2, 5, and there is a point A on the circumference of the circle, and that point has a coordinate of 11, 8. And we need to find the equation of the tangent that passes through A. So to find the equation of any line, there are two things that is needed. We need m, the slope or gradient of the line, and we also need a point on the line that can be used to find the c in our equation of the line, which is y equal to mx plus c. So c happens to be the y-intercept. Now, what we have is 2 points. One is the center and one is the point on the circumference of the circle. And the basic idea is that a tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. So we are going to use this knowledge to solve this question. So first of all, we can easily find the gradient of the radius of the circle because we know 2 points on the radius of the circle. One is the center and the other is the point A. So gradient of the radius, change in y divided by change in x. So it's 8 take away 5 over 11 take away 2. So that is going to give us 3 over 9, which is 1/3. And now, what will be the gradient of the tangent? The tangent is perpendicular to the radius, right? So what we need to do here is take the negative reciprocal of the radius, the gradient of the radius. So -1 over 1/3. So this is the same as dividing -1 by 1/3. So that will be -1 times, we're going to flip the fraction and make it 3 over 1. So that is -3. So we have the gradient of the tangent. So we can say that the equation of the tangent will be y equal to mx plus c. M is -3 plus c. And we know that the tangent passes through the point A, which is 11 and 8. So if we plug in x equal to 11 in the equation and y equal to 8, we'll be able to find our c. Plus c, and so 8 is -33 plus c, and then c will be 8 plus 33, and that is going to be 41. So finally, the equation of this tangent is y equals -3x plus 41. Now let's try this one. Here is the equation of a circle. We need to write down the coordinates of the center of the circle. Now x squared plus y squared equals 5, so the center is at the origin. 0, 0 is the center of the circle. Write down the exact length of the radius of the circle. Now we all know that the radius squared is this number. So if radius squared equals to 5, then the radius is going to be square root of 5. So we don't need to find what this is from our calculator. We should write just square root of 5 as our answer, because they're asking for the exact length and not an approximation. All right. Next, here, P is a point on the circle. Work out the equation of the tangent to the circle at P. So again, in these situations, you should try to sketch what is going on. That will make things a lot easier for you to understand. So we have a point P on this circle that has a center at the origin, and we need to find the equation of the tangent of the circle. Right, so we need the gradient of the circle, the tangent. So how can we find the gradient of the tangent? Now, the gradient of the tangent will be the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the radius. Okay, so because tangent is perpendicular to the radius, and so first we need to find the gradient of the radius of this circle. And so we have 2 points on the radius. One is 0, 0, and the other is 1, 2. So we can easily find the gradient of the radius. So it'll be 2 take away 0 over 1 take away 0, and that's 2. Well, now the gradient of the tangent is going to be negative 1 over 2. So the equation of the tangent is y equal to negative 1 over 2x plus c. And now we know that this tangent passes through the point P. P lies on this line. So if we put at x equal to 1, y is equal to 2 on this line. So let's plug in the values of y and x in this equation, and we'll be able to find c. So this is negative half plus c, and so c will be 2 plus half, and that is 2.5 or 5 over 2. So the equation of this tangent is y equals negative half x plus 5 over 2.